In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory in WooCommerce. Managing your inventory effectively is crucial for keeping your store running smoothly, ensuring that you never oversell or disappoint your customers with unexpected out-of-stock messages. Now, let's dive into the process of adding inventory in WooCommerce. First, we'll begin by navigating to the WooCommerce tab in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Settings and then Products, which will bring you to the Inventory section. Here, it's essential to make sure that the option Enable Stock Management is checked. This setting is the backbone of inventory control, allowing WooCommerce to automatically manage stock levels for all your products. Once stock management is enabled, you'll have the opportunity to configure some global inventory settings. Consider which low stock threshold level works best for your store. This setting determines when you'll receive low stock alerts, allowing you ample time to restock before running out completely. You can also set a hold stock timer in minutes, which reserves items in a customer's cart while they're completing their purchase, reducing potential overselling. Beyond alert notifications, you have the ability to dictate how stock information is displayed to customers. WooCommerce gives you options for stock display format, and displaying low stock notifications or visuals can often prompt quicker sales, as customers are informed of limited quantities. Use these settings to keep your customers informed and drive engagement by showing them when items are about to sell out. With the global settings in place, let's move on to setting stock for individual products. Head over to the Products section and click on All Products. From here, you can either edit an existing product or create a new one. In either case, you'll find yourself in the Product Data section under the Inventory tab. A unique SKU, or stock keeping unit, is vital for tracking your products. Each one should have its unique identifier, which helps manage products efficiently, especially if you're dealing with multiple suppliers or warehouses. Next, ensure to check the Manage Stock box. This selection allows WooCommerce to automatically keep track of stock levels for this specific product. Enter the overall stock quantity you currently have available for each product. Choosing the correct stock status is also key. Options include in stock, out of stock, or on back order, each informing your customers of exactly what's available. If you anticipate times when demand may exceed supply, setting the low stock threshold specifically for individual products and deciding whether to allow back orders can keep sales going without sacrificing customer satisfaction. Whether you enable back orders or not, this decision will depend on your inventory logistics. Lastly, don't forget to click on either the Save or Publish button once your details are in place. These actions ensure all the stock settings you've meticulously entered are applied and visible in your store. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a seamlessly functioning store with properly managed inventory, keeping your operation smooth and customers happy. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your WooCommerce store.